Here we will discuss Microsoft Excel domains on Microsoft Office Specialist, especially on Excel. So first, let us discuss what is Microsoft Office Specialist. So again, this is for Excel 2016. No? In order to pass the MOS Specialist, you need to take the examination specific on the Office program. So we have different Office programs. We have the Word, the Excel, the PowerPoint, and we have also the Microsoft Access. But in the university, we require the student to take the MOS Specialist in Excel. Okay? So, if you are certified as MOS Specialist, you have the skills needed to get the most out of this office. So, there are several benefits being a Microsoft Office Specialist. So, it will provide industry-leading assessment of skills, knowledge through the new product-based testing, and also giving students and professionals real-world exercises to appraise their understanding of Microsoft Office. So, the University of Mindanao, we are, we tap the Certiport, Certiport as our certification third party. They will certify us by taking the examination on the Certiport. So this will guarantee us to every certified users that, of course, if we are certified with Certiport, that we are MOS specialists on Excel, Word, PowerPoint, and so on, and Access. We demonstrate the ability to command the full features and functionality of the Microsoft Office. So it will prepare us as future academic, or of course, if we want to venture in good office, in the nice workforce environment. So there you have lots of opportunities if you have the certification. Again, for the University of Mindanao, most of the faculty, especially handling the ComEd subjects, are already a certified MOS specialist. So I am certified MOS specialist in Excel. So I took the Excel certification long ago. I don't know how ilang years na yun, no? And then, yung doon sa college, may isang faculty na tatlong certification, MOS Specialist in Excel, Word, and PowerPoint. Pero wala naman siya nagtudlo sa no? That is Sir Marciliones. Majority of us sa lang Excel, wala may nag-take ng Word and PowerPoint. Pero dapat daw mag-take kami. Wala pa time. So more on Excel kami. Okay, what are the impact if you are an MOS specialist? So it is very valuable for students, teachers, and of course the school system. So there are lots of story. No? If you can look that in the YouTube and also in the Certiport website, there are stories how the students, how the faculty, how the people, what are the impact, yung benefits on the MOS specialist to their lives and to their career. So it empowers students and educators. Then for students, it will boost their academic performance and preparation for college and career. For educators naman, it will provide targeted training and support every step of the way. And for administrator, it improves their institutional results. So, the MOS 2016 certification, it is a performance-based, just like what we did on our examination. It's just the same. It's more on the practice of Excel, and there are objectives, there are skills that the student or the educators or the administrators must achieve. So, meron siyang mga targets. So, We called it objective domains. So we have 5 domains, no, in the MOS specialist that the student and uh, the one who will take the exam must achieve, no, must have this competency, these skills. So first domain is creating and managing worksheets and workbooks. So that's on your lessons, no? Worksheets and workbooks. And then this first domain composed of 5 sub-objectives. The first one is create worksheets and workbooks. So, of course, we will have some checklist on this, no? Whether you achieve these following skills. So, create worksheets and workbooks. So, here, you must know how to create workbook. You must know how to import data from a delimited text file, like what we did. You must know how to add a worksheet to an existing workbook. We also do this. You must know how to copy and move the worksheet. Okay, so I think check tayo on the 1.1. Next is subdomain of this one objective. Navigate in worksheets and workbooks. So you must know how to search for data within a workbook. So just go and find the data. So you must know how to navigate to a named cell, range, or workbook element. And you know how to insert and remove hyperlinks. So we will do this, no? Insert and remove hyperlinks. Kasi parang hindi pa natin yan nagawa. Third sub-objective here is you know how to format worksheets and workbooks. So change worksheet tab color. So we already done that. Rename a worksheet. Change worksheet order. Modify the page setup. Insert and delete columns or rows. Change workbook themes. Adjust row height and column width. And insert headers and footers. So, check natin yung hindi natin na-achieve. Insert headers and footers. Okay. Next, 1.4, customize options and views for worksheets and workbook. So, student must know how to hide or unhide the worksheets. Hide or unhide columns and rows. So, medyo wala natin ito na-achieve. So, let's look on this, no? Customize the quick access toolbar. So I think there is on the lesson, no, how to customize the quick access toolbar. Change the workbook views. So it's already on the lesson. Change window views. Modify document properties. And then change magnification by using zoom tools and display formula. So display formula. Okay. The fifth domain of the first objective, which is yung creating and manage worksheets and workbook, is configure worksheets and workbooks for distribution. So, included here is set a print area, save workbooks in alternative file format, print all or part of the workbook, set print scaling, display repeating row and column titles on multi-page worksheets. I think that's on lesson 3 or lesson 2, no, in your activities. So inspect a workbook for hidden properties or personal information. Inspect a workbook for accessibility issues. Inspect workbook for compatibility issues. Okay? Next. Next domain, the major domain in the Microsoft Excel 2016. The two domains, second domain, manage data cells and range. So here, student must know how to insert data in cells and ranges. So replace data, cut, copy, or paste data. Paste data by using special paste option. So we done this special option. Fill cells by using autofill, insert and delete cells. Okay. There are 3 subdomains of this second, no? 2.2 format cells and ranges and summarize. 2.3 summarize and organize data. So under this 2.2, merge cells, modify cell alignment and indentation, format cells by using format painter, wrap text within cells, apply number formats, apply cell formats, apply cell styles. Okay, so actually madali lang ito, no? And then summarize and organize data. So insert sparklines, outline data, insert subtotals, apply conditional formatting. Again, this mga domain, no, yung 5 domains nito, this is distributed to all your ComEd. Okay? So you have, I think you have 3 ComEds. So this is your first one, 214, and then we have the 224, and yung isa, I don't know sa tong isa. So this will be distributed throughout. Okay? So if hindi ma-handle sa 214, this would be, of course, ma-handle ito on the 224. Kasi merong mga formulas na hindi natin na-handle on 214 kasi not included in your lesson. So now let's go to the third domain, creating tables. So here, the student must know how to create and manage tables. Create a table, Excel table from a cell range. Convert a table to a cell range. Na-discuss natin ito. Add or remove table rows and columns. Okay? Next is manage table styles and options. So apply styles to tables. We do this, no? Configure table styles option. Insert total rows. Okay? Next, 3.3 filter. We also do this. And sort a table, filter records, sort data by multiple columns, change the sort order, remove duplicate records. So, parang majority, we do this already. Ito. Most of these will be handled in your ACC 2 to 4. Siguro we can introduce this in your 214, but more activities would be in your 2 to 4. So summarize data by using functions. So insert reference, perform calculations by using the sum functions, perform calculations by using the min and max functions, perform calculations by using the count functions, perform calculations by using the average functions. Okay, so we can introduce this, but most of your mga activities nandun sa 2 to 4.
Wala plan.
Mers. Next, perform conditional operations by using functions. So, ito. This is advanced Excel already, no? Perform logical operations by using the if function. So, maybe we can introduce if, but simple version. Yung mga advanced version of this, yung loop of ifs. Mga if-then. So, that's on your 2 to 4. Perform logical operations by using the sum-if function. Perform logical operations by using the average if function. Perform statistical operation by using the count-if functions. Okay? Next, the last, meron pa palang 4.3. Format and modify text by using functions. So, this one, the text function, this would be on your 2 to 4 na yun, no? Format text by using right, the left, and mid functions. Format text by using the upper, lower, and proper function. Format text by using the concatenate function, although we discussed the concatenate. And then, the fifth domain is create charts. Okay? So, charts will more on 2 to 4. So, we can introduce this, but a simple version of chart in your 214. Okay? If we have another time, or we have more times, pwede natin siya i-introduce. So, create new chart, add additional data series, switch between rows and columns in source data, and analyze data by using quick analysis. That's creating the chart. And then, format charts, resize the charts, add and modify the chart elements, apply chart layouts and styles, move charts on a chart sheet. And then the last, insert and format objects, insert text boxes and shapes, insert images, modify object properties, add alternative text to objects for accessibility. So these are the coverage for the MOS specialist. Pero in our subject, we will not take the MOS specialist. That would be in your ACC 224. So parang our subject is more on the introductory part no of the MOS specialist. So binigay ko lang ito sa inyo for you to be aware no that these are the domains, and I think we are half on it no to the required competencies on Excel. Okay?